Toronto, are you ready for the unveiling? Hillary encourages present the unveiling, the spiritual realm based on Hosea 4:6. God says his people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. It's time to get equipped. Join Prophet Marsha Wade and Pastor Natalie Majik, hosted by yours truly, Minister Hillary Dunkley Campbell, for a powerful day where you will learn about the prophetic, different kinds of spirit, deliverance, and how to maintain it. This is not just your ordinary conference. This is life changing. And it's Saturday, April the 11th, right here in Toronto at 1350 Birchmont Road, Pathway Community Church. And guess what? The investment is only 50 Canadian dollars. And there's also a payment plan. So click on the link and secure your spot today, and see you on April 11. God bless you.